Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to include Spotify music in your Canva presentations. Adding a soundtrack can significantly improve your pitch, making the entire experience more immersive and memorable for your audience. We will walk through this process together step by step. To start, open the Spotify application on your computer or access it through your web browser. Once the platform is open, browse your playlists or search for a new track that perfectly matches the tone of your presentation. You might want something energetic to excite your listeners, or perhaps a softer melody for a more professional, relaxed atmosphere. After you have picked the perfect song, you need to secure the link. Simply click on the three dots found next to your chosen track to open the Options menu. From there, hover your cursor over the Share option. Within this submenu, click on Copy Song Link. The URL is now saved to your clipboard and is ready to be moved into Canva. Now, head over to your Canva account and open the specific presentation you are working on. We will assume you already have a design prepared where you want the music to appear. To integrate the Spotify track, look for the tool that lets you add multimedia content. Click on the Embed option, which is typically located in the side toolbar or under the Apps or More section depending on your version of Canva. With the Embed window open, you will see a field where you can paste your link. Click inside that box and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste the URL. Once the link is visible, click the button labeled Add to Design. Just like that, your Spotify track is embedded directly into your Canva slides. This creates a dynamic element that allows your audience to engage with your content in a brand new way. Please remember to follow all copyright laws when playing music in public or shared environments. Integrating audio is a fantastic way to capture and hold your audience's attention by appealing to multiple senses. Be sure to test the playback to ensure everything runs smoothly. That is the simple method for making your Canva presentations more vibrant and professional using Spotify.